Good morning, madam. My name is Om Prakash. Today topic is CPM method problem. Question: an established company has decided to add a new product to line I will to product manufacturing circular package. It and sell it is a number of distribution that have been selected on the geographical basic market search has already indicated the value expected and the size of the sales for require the reels of the shown following table free planned activity, deception, expectance, duration. A. Organic sales office 6. B. Cure salesman A 4. C. Trim salesman A 2. D. Selected advantage agency A 2. E. Plan advertising campaign D 2. F. Conduct advertising composition E 10. G. During package 2. H. Setup package faculties G10. Package initial stocks GH6. Order shocks to the manufacturing 13. Selected A 19. Selected duration CK3. Skip and to duration. Draw a arrows finding the product. Indicate the circular path for each circular activity. Find the total free total. Step 1. Draw the arrow diagram. Draw a network diagram respecting the project activities and their dependencies. Each activity is a node and arrows indicate the sequence. The identity is a certain path. Determine the longest path through the network diagram. This path represents curtail path with activities having 0 cell. Step 3. Calculate the total fast each activity. For each activity, calculate the total float, late start, early start, finish, each year finish. Calculate the free float each activity. For each activity, calculate the free float, yearly start or activity, yearly finish to current activity. Calculate the free float activity. For each activity, calculate the free float activity, yearly start for success activity, yearly finish to current activity. Identify the curtail path and float example. Assuming a specific row diagram, associated activity, duration where which are absent in the original response. I have an example output curtail A, B, C, L, M. Next topic is activity immediate procedures duration A bar G B A 4 C B 2 D A 2 E B 4 F E 10 G 21 H G 10 I H 16 J minus 13 13 A 9 M K K 35 age of the procedure succeeded node. Edge node A 1 minus 2, G 1 is to 3, 1 is to 7, B 2 is to 4, D 2 is to 5, K 2 is to B, H 3 is to 7, E 6 to 10, F 7 to 9, I 8 to 9, L 9 to 10, M. Next topic is network diagram of the project along with the activity steps. Steps forward passes method. E1 to 0, E2, E1 plus E2 plus 2, E2, A is equal to 6, 0 plus 6, E3. E2 plus 6, E T1 plus 3, C1 plus 2, 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. E4, E2 plus 2, 4, T2 plus B2 is equal to 4, 6 plus 10. E2 plus 2, 2 plus 5 is equal to D is equal to 2, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 5 plus 15 plus G is equal to 8. Maximum 0 plus 10 plus 2 plus 10. Max 13 is equal to 12. 13. Max I is equal to T is equal to B is equal to 24. Max E2 plus T2 plus E4 plus T4 plus B. Max 6 plus 9 10 plus 7 max 15 plus 17. Answer is 17. The max exceed the max 16 comma 19 max is 19 is equal to 20. The max I plus 10 is equal to I is equal to 16 and E plus 16 plus 10 E9 plus E plus 10. Max 12 10 20 plus 5 maximum 22 25 25. Step 3 backward pass method. L is equal to 9, L is equal to 10 plus 10, 19 plus 10 is equal to my, 25 is equal to 20. LP minus LP9 9 plus T plus 9 plus L3 is equal to 20 plus 34. L5 L6 plus T5 plus 6 plus 15 plus is equal to 15. E plus 15 17 minus 13. Mini EL just 2 plus A is equal to 85 plus 4. Mini LB is equal to L2. B is equal to L5 plus T is equal to 4 plus 4. Mini 17 plus 9 11 plus 2 is equal to 10. Mini 8 by 9 by 6 is equal to 6. Next topic is for each non-cuttal activity total float force. Float indicate float calculation step. Activity IJ 1:3 202042300 1:7 13 plus 0 0 14 300 25 26 8 6 11 0 9 302 22 B 9 6 18 17 15 266 3 plus 7 2 8 9 4 7 1 2 3 5 2 6 1 B 12 11 12 13 4 6 6 2 40 12 25 15 22 15 330 7:9 6 13 20 20 19 14 110. Next topic is thank you madam.